Two leading AI platforms for content creation, ChatGPT and Anyword, go head-to-head. Which one really delivers? On the left, ChatGPT, the versatile AI for conversations and content creation, and on the right, Anyword, packed with AI-powered tools for marketing content generation. Let's skip the hype and dive into the features that truly matter. Each category earns points, so by the end, you'll know exactly which platform comes out on top. The result might surprise you.
Okay, before we actually dive in, let's just map out what we're going to be looking at side by side. On my mind map, we've got content generation, pricing, integration, predictive analytics, and, oh, super important, marketing focus. Ready? Let's do this. First up, content generation. So ChatGPT, this thing is honestly like your Swiss Army knife for writing. Whether you want chatty blog posts, snappy emails, or a poem about your cat, ChatGPT's got you. It's awesome for general writing, but it's not laser focused on marketing. Now, Anyword, oh, and here's something cool. It's kind of built for marketing stuff. So if you need ad copy with that special zing, or maybe social posts that convert, Anyword's got predictive analytics up its sleeve, which is actually kind of wild. Downsides? Well, it's not as versatile as ChatGPT. It's more like a niche expert. For content generation, though, ChatGPT takes the cake here. Next, pricing. Okay, this is usually where people start, right? ChatGPT has a free option. Yep, you heard that right. Free for the basics. And even the Plus plan is pretty affordable. But the catch? Some fancy features are locked out unless you upgrade. Now, Anyword? It's got flexible pricing, but honestly, most options land on the pricier side compared to ChatGPT. So if you're pinching pennies or just want the biggest bang for your buck, ChatGPT wins hands down. All right, let's talk integration. ChatGPT offers a pretty seamless API, so if you're techie, you can plug it into all sorts of workflows. It's compatible with loads of platforms, though I couldn't find a list of specific integrations, so maybe double-check what you need before getting started. On the other hand, Anyword actually integrates with a bunch of digital platforms out of the box, which is cool if you want things running fast. Downside? Newbies might need an extra minute to set it up. Still, overall, ChatGPT feels easier for most folks.
Quick fact break. Did you know both ChatGPT and Anyword use advanced AI algorithms to improve content quality? Kinda mind-blowing when you think about how far this tech's come. Now on to predictive analytics. This is where things flip. So ChatGPT literally doesn't do any predictive analytics. It's just not its thing. If you want data-backed insights, well, Anyword shines here. You get advanced predictive analytics for marketing, so you can see how your copy is going to perform before it even goes out. Super nerdy, super useful if you're into numbers. So, yep, Anyword is the clear winner on this one. Finally, marketing focus. ChatGPT is more of a jack of all trades. Great for creating all sorts of content, but it doesn't specialize in marketing strategies or helping you nail your brand voice. Anyword, though, is all about marketing, custom strategies, finding the right tone, and stuff like that. If you're a marketer, it might feel like Anyword was made just for you. So in this category, Anyword's got the edge. Just to give you a snapshot here, if you laid out all the scores in a radar chart, ChatGPT would look like the go-to for general versatility and price, while Anyword would spike on analytics and marketing power. Totally different strengths. So, what's my honest take on it all? ChatGPT is best if you need a flexible, affordable solution for all kinds of writing, whether you're a student, a blogger, or just want to play around. Anyword, though, is the heavy hitter if you live and breathe marketing and need deep insights and strategies. Pick whatever fits your vibe. If you found this helpful, be sure to stick around for more tech breakdowns, because I'm always testing out the latest and greatest. See you in the next one.